What's up, guys? Come on in and join me for our mobilization, which is what we're focusing on today, to try and get our dragon squats. So these are apparently the hardest squat to master, and I think the issue we're having is with our flexibility and mobilizing. We need to mobilize our hips, our ankles, and everything else before we try and jump into these. So that's what we're going to do today. We will have some single leg squats as well, but we'll get them in at the end. So grab out, if you have any resistance bands or anything that can assist you with this. I have my gymnastics split band here and a couple of other resistance bands. The ball we might use, if you don't have one, don't worry, I do have a weight there. I don't know if we'll use that or not, but we are going to use whatever we can to help us get this progression, because I really want to move forward into our next program with these movements down. Let's bring one leg up onto your deck or whatever you have there. If you've got a higher surface to work from, that would be great. Otherwise, you are just here, and let's just push here. So if you are following the program, I know that you are mentally and physically strong enough to do this squat progression. And it's just probably the movement pattern. It's not one, it's quite an uncomfortable position to get into, and you need to have good flexibility in your muscles and your joints. So that is what we're going to focus on today. Just push there. And turn it round to the front. Same thing again. Just push it forward there. And that leg can go down. Tight muscles are not going to help us get into the position we need. Bring that leg round. Other one can come up top. And yeah, push it forward. And go side on. Little pulses. And again, turn yourself back onto the front, drop that knee down. Just there. Release that glute. And drop the leg down. Let's open up here, stretch out the lats, drop your head. Really push down. We need to be able to open up our side so we can reach over and grab our leg when we're in the bottom of that position. So another thing we can do is use the wall or something similar and do our mobilization like we done with the deck, but rather than having our hands on the deck, we have them on a wall or on a pole or something like that. So we're leaned against the wall, and then we can come into our position and really open up the whole side. So we will try that as well, but for now just chuck your deck over. Let's come into pigeon pose. We'll start off nice and easy, just there, and let's fold it all the way forward, fold it up, lift that back leg, fold forward, lift up, fold, lift, fold, lift, fold. Let's go 2 more. 1 and flip it around. Another nice one that we may have seen in our laying position and lifting the lower leg. I'll show you that as well. We really need to do more of these. We have to work that flexibility. And build enough strength. Hello, body. All right, what are we doing? Let's go to the side. So just there, bring that leg over top. So this is our position. Of course, we're not going to be down there. We will be up. So what we want to, our end goal is basically from there. That leg is going to be round and we're going to be up here, but leg is lifted. Maybe let's try, if we can, just to mobilize by lifting that leg up onto the deck. Lift that leg there. Bring the other one round. And then we can push ourselves up just so we have an idea of what it feels like in that position. Oh, if you can. Even from here, it's quite tough. Let's reach over for the foot. So we will be here, hopefully, by the end of our 3rd month, by the end of our 3rd program. So if we're not getting these now, this is going to be our main focus for next month. And we will have a lot of work on these. Oh, lift yourself up. So hands can go down here just for now. And then once we build enough strength and confidence in that movement, we can start to aim for our foot. Our leg is not going to be that high up, but better to get the mobility. Lift yourself up, hold it there. Hold it there, hold it, hold it, hold it. Drop yourself down. Let's lay it down. Simplify here and lift that inner thigh. Just lift it there. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's switch to the other side and put that deck over as well. So what we do in one side, we have to do in the other. Okay, so cross that leg over. Lift the leg up first. Balance that leg up there. Other one comes over. Lift yourself up. Just hold it there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop yourself down. So already you can feel, if you've got tight muscles, it's going to be really tough. Lay it down, bring that leg over, and again lift up that inner leg there, the lower leg. 10, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll try against the wall, but first, while we are here, let's work the ankles. Where's my tennis ball? Let's just start here with the band. Band goes around the feet, pull it towards yourself. And push down. Lift the legs up if you can from there. Lift. We've done these against the wall before, so if you need to lean on your deck for a little bit of support, you can go there. That band's not helping you. Try not to lean back too far. Lift. Lift. Ooh. Let's go one by one. Release the band. Let's just go one by one. Hands can go down by your sides. Lift. Lift. Two more. 9, 10. Bring the ball between your ankles. Squeeze and lift. Muscle cramp. And let's go again for 8. Squeeze that ball. Let's go 5 more. Squeeze the ball. 2, 1. Drop it down. Okay. Let's stretch out the hamstrings while we're here, and then we'll grab the tennis ball, which I do have. Band goes around the foot. Lay it all the way down. Bring that leg up, and you are just there. Pull that foot towards you. Flex it up. Point the toe. Flex it back. Point. Flex the foot. Point the toe. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Bring that leg out to the side. Let's go for big circles here. Just opening up the hips. And switch it to the other side. Other leg goes down. Make sure you've got the space around you. Flex, point, flex, point. Flex and point. Brianne, can you take that back out away from me, please? Drop that leg all the way out to the sides. Big circles through. Don't worry, it's all right now. One more. It's okay now, it doesn't matter. And release. Okay. We will just move that back there. Okay. If you have a band that you can attach to your feet to get a nice stretch, I'm going to use this one here. Otherwise, just come into your straddle there. Go as wide as you can. Bring the hands behind you and make sure you are sitting on your sit bones. Okay. If you don't have a band, just focus on edging yourself forward here. We're going to spend a couple of minutes. I'm going to just put this around my foot. I haven't used this for a while. maybe on there. Okay, grab onto one side. Oh. Just hold it there, hold it, hold it, hold it. If you're not working with a band, you are just edging yourself forward and pushing all the way straight back up. This is a bit too much right now. Okay. Just keep that position nice and wide with the legs. Fold it forward. All the way back up. Right, let's take it up to our deck. I'm going to sit down and just work a little bit here as we've done before. So lift the heels, one foot comes up, other one comes up, mobilizing the ankles. Lift. And then we will try and work against the wall and mobilise.
Seems like you're trying. I'm not trying.
Lift.
So if you're trying, let's just everything else. You might catch and not try.
Let's go a couple more. Lift. Lift. Heels come up. Lift.
And then a headshot is not trying. When you hit a headshot, don't try.
One more there. Release the ball. We'll roll your feet out while you're there as well. All the way forward, all the way back.
People always try and do you want to play 2v2 piece? Do you want to play 2v2? Do you want to play 1v1 piece?
Other side. Tap the toe, tap the heel. Toe, heel. Rotate. Okay. Right, let's see if we can. If you have wall space near or around you, all we're going to do, this might look a bit funny. If you had something solid to grab onto, it would work a little bit better. Otherwise, just come here against your wall. I don't know how this is going to work because usually you would grab something. Come down into your curtsy.
I'm going back to your...
And we're going to try and open up here. I'm not sure about this. Okay. So lay it down in your side on position there. And we're going to bring that arm all the way up and just push in there. Push in, push in. And maybe if we have something to elevate our hip on, that would work a little bit better. Yeah, let's try that. So if you have a couple of books, a folder or anything like that, stack it up. We're going to elevate our hips on there, so it's going to give us more of a shape, more of a stretch. we want that kind of angle so we can really open up. So hip is going to go on the plates. Bring that leg over, so this is our position. Arm goes up. Make sure you've got a little bit of distance away from the wall, so you really have to lean into it. And then edge yourself in. Oh. Hold it there, hold it, hold it. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Do you not want to try this? 2, 1. And release, release, release. Okay, let's go to the other side. Hip on the plates. Or on the book or something. Just about this much of thickness. And you're a bit of away from the wall, so maybe half a metre away from the wall. Hip goes. Okay, let's try that again. So, lift that leg up.
I can't see. I can't see.
And we'll just go one more time there. Bring it back through. Lengthen that leg. Just there. Let's try the other side. Find your balance. Lift that leg up. Take it round. Try and keep it high if you can. Reverse it back. Go all the way down if you can, and then nice big opener on the way round. Right, just come off there if you're going to keep going on. You're on that computer every day. It's getting ridiculous now. Lift up. Balance, balance, balance. And release. Okay, let's try on the deck. So all we're going to do now is we're going to try and tap that leg back over to one side. Okay, so let's start on the edge of our deck here. And again, find your balance in that single leg. Hold it there. Bring that leg behind first. Slowly, slowly bring yourself down. Let's try and get low first. That is a problem we are having. Lift yourself up. Leg goes behind. Get yourself into a low, low position if you can, as low as you can. Okay. Let's just try 2 on the other side. Drop the butt. Sit it down. Lift yourself up. Let's just go one more. Lift up. Leg goes behind. Okay, let's leave it there for now. What we'll do is go into our single leg squats. So, like we done before with the bands, but I'm not going to have as much resistance on there this time. So I doubled the bands over last time. So, attach your band wherever you can. And let's give this a go. So if we get the single leg squats, the pistol squats are not that far off from there. We just need to work on our mobility. Okay? Right, take a little breather. What we could do is wrap this round our waist. There.
That's really nice.
Okay. Right, when you're ready, bring yourself up. We'll just try for 5 on each side here, and then we will leave it there for today. Okay, bring yourself up. Make sure that resistance band is attached and solid. And we're just going to sit into that single leg. I might come a little bit further back actually. A little bit further. I should have went for a twist over. Okay. Let's try. Just going up to 5. Two more. Let's try one more. Okay, take a little breathe out, then we'll go to the other side just for 5. Okay. Nice deep breath, and when we're ready, stand it up, come as far back as you need to. Nice deep breath. Sit it down. Push up. 4 more like that. Let's go 3 more. These are tough. Last 2. Final one there. Aye. Oh, okay, release that band. We will leave it there for today. Okay, so what we're going to do, I think, we're going to have more focus on these exercises, but we need to stretch more. We will have a daily upload for stretching, mobilizing. So stretch and mobility. We'll do a quick one, 20 minutes daily. and we'll start that in our 4th week. Okay, so we can get these exercises a bit quicker. Let's leave it there, guys. Take care. Have a great day. See you next time.